Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I would like to talk about Colgate Palmolive. I always screw that up. So what they do is consumer goods, and the reason I'm doing that is they're another one of the Dividend Aristocrats, and so that means they have raised their dividends 25 years in a row. So current price is almost $69, which gives them a market cap of $59 billion. The dividend yield currently 2.5% with a payout ratio of 63%. The revenue $15.5 billion, which is up ever so slightly, like less than 100 million. Earnings of $2.4 billion, which is up 20% from 2 billion, but the trailing 12 months is down slightly to 2.34. So year over year looking good, last 12 months not looking so good, but I would wait until the earnings are released for the full year. Their year ends 12/31. Not really that worried about that ever so slightly worse earnings, but so PE is 26, which is slightly high. It's actually 25.51 currently, but obviously also not terrible. Total assets $12.1 billion, total liabilities $11.9 billion, which gives them a total stockholders equity of negative $100 million, which is down from negative $60 million. So ever so slightly in the negative, obviously not a good thing. And I'm not liking where things are going right now. So I think that obviously if you're a growth investor, you've been out. For a dividend investor, I think that the yield is not as high as you can get right now with a lot of other companies. And I don't think the balance sheet makes this a really safe investment. So if you're a dividend investor, especially a dividend growth investor, I think that there's better opportunities out there. And for a value investor, the balance sheet does not look good. The PE is too high. And the dividend yield is not high enough to justify all that. So, and obviously neither is the revenue growth. So I think that this is really not the company at this moment in time for any of the three major investor types. So I think that you can get better stocks in pretty much all aspects elsewhere. There's plenty of good stocks around that you don't need to buy this right now. So that's it from me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.